Let me show you how dirty the filter was.
Ew, so terrible. I usually clean it, really? Hi, my name is Anna. That's only when I'm out. Don't worry at home, because I already have a savior. This is the Airdog Purifier from America. This is the Airdog Purifier from America. I call this machine Family Doctor. Yeah, take a look. It has a white cast, which reminds me of a blues. In terms of feature, it's so great filtering out dirt, even microscopic dirt, bacteria, mold, unpleasant odors, etc. So there is a doctor in house to ensure the safety of the whole family. Always fine. That's still not all this machine has done, because the medical scientists have researched and certified Airdog air purifiers have the ability to kill COVID-19 virus. This is no exaggeration, it's all certified. Since having this family doctor in my house,
Having Airdog beside me brings me a good night's sleep. I have full of energy for a new working day. My kitchen always pure. Airdog is really annihilate odors.
for my family convenience, I choose 3 models. One for living room, one for bedroom, and another one for kitchen.
Let me show you how dirty the filter was.
Ew, so terrible. I usually clean it, really? That alarm is how the air is polluted. Of course, all the harmful particles can't be seen by naked eyes. We have to realize that the air is so polluted, especially in the big cities like Ho Chi Minh. Airdog has washable filters. It's extremely convenient. I can clean it easy, quick dry in 20 minutes. Airdog purifiers help me save time, money, and save our planet by reusable design from USA. 1,000 likes. Everybody consider investing in yourself as a family doctor like this to improve your quality of life. Happiness and health have never been so simple.